How to send money from UK to Portugal step-by-step guide. To send money from the UK to Portugal, you will need to follow these steps. First, determine the amount you want to send and the currency you want to use. The euro is the official currency of Portugal, so you will likely be converting pounds to euros. Next, choose a money transfer service that supports transactions from the UK to Portugal. Popular options include banks, online money transfer services, and specialist providers such as Wise and PayPal. Compare the fees and exchange rates of different services to find the best deal. Look for services that offer low fees and competitive exchange rates. Once you have chosen a service, you will need to create an account and provide some personal details. This will typically include your name, address, and contact information. You will also need to provide the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account information. After you have entered the recipient's details, you can initiate the transfer. This will typically involve entering the amount you want to send and confirming the transaction. The money will then be sent to the recipient's bank account in Portugal. The transfer time will depend on the service you use and the transfer method. Some services offer instant transfers while others may take several days. It is also important to consider the security of your transaction. Look for services that are regulated by the relevant authorities and have a good reputation. Additionally, be aware of any taxes or fees that may apply to your transaction. Finally, keep a record of your transaction, including the transfer amount and the recipient's details. This will help you to track the status of your transfer and resolve any issues that may arise. By following these steps, you can send money from the UK to Portugal quickly and securely.